Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another 3-minute Emaan Booster with me, Hafiz Sha'ban. Why is Sha'ban known as the neglected month? Let's look at 5 facts. Number 1, the month of Sha'ban is the 8th month of the Islamic calendar. It is a month that comes immediately after the sacred month of Rajab, comes before the glorious month of Ramadan, and therefore acts as a connection between these two blessed months. Number 2, the name Sha'ban comes from the Arabic root sha'ba, meaning to separate or disperse. Now the Arabs used to disperse looking for water in preparation for the month of Ramadan, right? Or they used to disperse and get involved in wars after taking a month-long truce during the sacred month of Rajab. What about its virtues? عن عائشة رضي الله تعالى عنها قالت لم يكن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم في شهر من السنة أكثر صياما منه في شعبان كان يصوم شعبان كله. Numerous hadiths. Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha narrates that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam did not fast in any month of the year more than he fasted in this month of Sha'ban. In fact, he used to fast all of the month, right? In other hadiths we know and we find out that most of the month except the last few days. In fact, this practice of the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam led Usama bin Zayd radiallahu ta'ala anhuma to inquire from the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Ya Rasulullah, لم أراك تصوم شهرا من الشهور ما تصوم من شعبان قال ذلك الشهر يغفل الناس عنه بين رجب ورمضان وهو شهر ترفع فيه الأعمال إلى رب العالمين فأحب أن يرفع عمل وأنا صائم. So the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said that this is a neglected month between Rajab and Ramadan. In it, people's deeds, the deeds of man, are raised to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and presented to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So I love to be fasting whilst my deeds are raised and presented to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So poor Sha'ban gets missed out in the middle. People think of it as the last chance to chill, continue to be distracted, and astaghfirullah, even continue to sin until Ramadan arrives, and then that puts hopefully all of that to an end. It is precisely when others drop their guard, the one who seeks an opportunity takes the advantage and takes, a chance. It is like the Hajj. Fantastic opportunity, the best time. Few take the opportunity. It's like the one who remembers Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the marketplace, in the suq, in the town center. Majority of us are busy buying and selling, looking for a deal, even negotiating or even cheating, astaghfirullah. And the one who remembers Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the marketplace earns a great reward. It's like the one who strives to bring about the unity amongst the ummah through the implementation of Islam, of neglected but great rewards. So certain actions, certain places, certain times, day, week, places earn a greater reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Sha'ban is a month when people don't pay attention and neglect it. Last but not least, number 5, Rajab was the month which is known as the gateway to Ramadan, sowing the seeds. Sha'ban is a month for preparing for Ramadan. The countdown to Ramadan has started. Final preparations. Ramadan is around the corner. Recommended acts in Sha'ban include to fast, right? To recite the Quran, engage in zikr. Last few days of Sha'ban, your final preparations for Ramadan should be commencing. Prepare your mind, body, soul. Prepare yourself spiritually, physically, mentally, now so that you're ready for Ramadan from its onset, inshaAllah ta'ala. Have you started your preparation?